Regina Daniels' husband, Ned Nwoko, reveals Jaruma's marriage has ended in spite of her selling Kayamata. Says marriage to ex-wife Laila ended after she underwent plastic surgery and met a strange man. My people, dem matter dey pop for social media. Na wetin I see now, so now I come dey yarn my people because of wetin me don see. Wahala dey. Una sabi say the saga between Ned Nwoko family now wey come dey pop social media no be here, and Jaruma sef hand too kuku dey inside. But before we wan talk anything, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. You're welcome to KONGOSSA&GOSSIP TV, where we do celebrity gist and social media wahala. If today's the first time you're stopping by, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. For all returning subscribers, may God bless you as you search in. So make we die for the matter as it dey hot dey go, my people. My people, una sabi say saga don dey pop up like 1 month ago between Jaruma and Ned Nwoko actress wife Regina Daniel, wey the saga come make us understand say Regina tell us say this Kayamata issue wey she come dey do for social media, she no kuku dey use am like that. Say all wetin she dey do that time na to boost her friend business up. Say all that aphrodisiac chocolates matter wey we kuku dey see for social media like that, she no dey use am, my people. And una sabi say the marriage between Ned Nwoko and this im wife like that Laila, e don get as e dey for body because of one krukeke waka wey Laila come dey get as per wetin Ned Nwoko media house come let us know. But una sabi say to every story there are 3 sides of the story. Ned Nwoko media house don come let us know their own side of the story. Jaruma sef im name come kuku come out say na the Kayamata wey come dey give Regina Daniel make she kuku dey use am. Na im make am e come kolobi Ned Nwoko from Laila hand like that. And Laila no be able to support the matter. Na she kuku carry her body dey go. But as per wetin wey we come dey hear now, wey Ned Nwoko family or media house come give us, na say this Laila like that, she come kuku dey do one plastic surgery. She not tell her husband. She come dey do one krukeke waka for London, my people, wey come let her to get coronavirus. Wey still come let her to come meet one man wey come involve lawyer, my people. Even London police sef come join heart. Me no be like na me come dey talk am because wetin we see now the fact say Ned Nwoko don come out publicly for come debunk the news and to take clear off in wife Regina Daniel name from the mouth of Kayamata saga. My people, make it not be like na me kuku come dey talk, make I read and make all of us come dey listen am, and we go come back and talk with you know about am. My people, make I read. We note with a sense of responsibility that Prince Ned Nwoko has nothing whatsoever to do with Jaruma products in relation to his cordial relationship with his actress wife, Regina Daniels. As for Jaruma, who claimed that her Kayamata is working on Ned Nwoko, and that was why his wife Laila left, such speculations is baseless and laughable. To put the records in clear perspective, let us ask Jaruma, married a younger man, how come the marriage that produced a child ended barely after 1 year? How come the Kayamata did not work on the husband? Gullible fans might not know that the ex-husband left her despite the Kayamata effect on him. What a joke. Now, to cruise off the matter, it will be recalled that Laila recently disclosed in an Instagram post that her marriage to Prince Ned Nwoko has ended, warning her followers to stop talking about the matrimony as there is nothing between them anymore. The truth is that the marriage degenerated to irreconcilable differences rooted in indecent conduct on the part of Laila, which started whilst she was on holidays in London. She had an expensive summer holidays with their kids in London, courtesy of Honorable Ned Nwoko, but there were serious issues with the London trip based on her indiscretions. When she got to London, she abandoned the kids. No money was spent on them for their clothes, in spite of the generous financial provisions by Prince Ned Nwoko. She did not take them to the shops but spent the money on herself. She did plastic surgery without informing her husband. She went to nightclubs and got coronavirus there. The kids left unattended apparently caused substantial damages in their hotel suite. If she had stayed with the kids, who are minors, they wouldn't have caused the damages. He spent £7,000 as penalty for the damages before she was told or allowed to go into the rooms to get their belongings. They were moved to another hotel at extra expenses paid by Ned Nwoko. It would have been worse if the police or social workers were invited. Moreover, she beat up the kids because they told their father that their mother abandoned them from clubbing several times. She contracted COVID-19 and had to be isolated. Prince Ned Nwoko was compelled to spend additional money to bring the kids back to Nigeria. A nanny was hired at huge cost to escort the kids back home to Nigeria, while Laila stayed back in London to recover from COVID-19. She was also in contact with a man. Laila was always on phone with a strange man. From discreet findings, the relationship with the man started sometime in January 2021. But the bubble burst last August when she went on summer holidays in London with the kids. Laila met physically in London with the man. According to her lawyer, Laila met with the man in a hotel where he was working. Diligent checks, however, revealed that they met actually on the internet 8 months earlier. While in London, she had issues with him, which attracted the police. Then she got a lawyer and reported the matter between her and the man. She never informed Prince Ned Nwoko about her matter with the man, which involved the London police and lawyer. How could a wife have issues with a man that led to the engagement of a lawyer and an official complaint to the police in London without informing her husband? Up till now, Ned Nwoko does not know the details of what transpired in London. He is totally unaware. One of her friends later told Ned Nwoko that Laila was only engaged in chat at several times with the man. This is bad enough that she has chatting with man secretly. Laila claimed somebody set her up, who Ned Nwoko doesn't know. The reason remains unknown to him. It is pertinent to note that before Laila left for London holidays, she did not have any problems with Ned Nwoko or any other member of the family. As a dutiful, caring husband, he did his utmost best for her. He took good care of her. She was pampered. They went on summer holidays together to America and Europe at various times. He did not treat anyone else better than her. She never lacked. She had all the privileges as a wife while the marriage lasted. She was never neglected. The neglect of the kids, violence on them, plastic surgery without the knowledge of her husband, wayward lifestyle abroad, contact with a man, police case, and involvement of lawyer in London were the major concerns that Ned Nwoko found disturbing and unacceptable. In all of these weight allegations, her only defense was that someone set her up. She never explained who did and for what purposes. Hey, my people, una don kuku hear by una self as in the matter get as a day like this. So if we understand this matter now, Ned Nwoko don't come openly come let us know say Regina Daniel got nothing to do between the separation of his wife Laila and himself, and they can't let us know say Kayamata not kuku they involved, because even the Jaruma way kuku they sell the Kayamata, her Kayamata no kuku walk on top of her husband. I be saying na fake in Konze and say Laila na she be the cost of everything, as wetin they talk of my people. Say she kuku go kolobi one man like that, say for London, I kuku bring problems, say they can't involve lawyer and police, say can't at their mouth put inside. Say she kuku abandon the children for hotel room, hotel suits, my people. Now damages can be, and all of this can lead to waiting it day like this for our face. Say Regina Daniels is innocent of all allegations, and say na Laila la kurukeke waka na make her comot from her husband house. Say Jaruma no sabi wetin dey talk. My people. I don't know what you think about this video, but make me now write for comment section what you think about her. I got nothing to say. Man gotta do what he gotta do. Make me now write for comment section what you think about her. And if you like the video, please and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're here, you've not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please do what to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notification, my people. And I'll see you on my next video. But before that, you have to share to your friends and family. Let them know what is happening. I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm